Do you want to change your name on Instagram, but you don't know how to do it? So if you've changed your legal name, maybe you got married and you have to update your surname on the Instagram profile and similar, then you can open the Instagram application on your iPhone or Android phone and then go over to your Instagram profile right here. Let's say I want to change the name which is on my profile, and for me, it's this Marshall Johnson right here. I can tap on this edit profile option and you'll get to your profile editor. We can tap on the name option right here, and you can simply delete your surname or your whole name and just change it to whatever you want. But if your Instagram and Facebook accounts are connected, maybe they'll prompt you to log in with your Facebook username and password, but that's boring and we don't want that. I'm going to show you another way that you can do this from the Instagram settings. So go back, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then you'll get to the settings page. We will then open the Account Center option right here, and that's going to get me to this page. Since we want to change our Instagram name, we can click on the profiles right here, and that's going to show me all of my Facebook and Instagram accounts which I have, and I just want to select this Marshall Johnson Instagram account, because that's the account on which I want to change my name. Click here on the name, and simply change it from here. It says here that you can change your name twice within 14 days, so keep that in mind. You don't have an unlimited amount of tries, you can only change it 2 times in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.